All right, this is just a video to help everyone understand a little bit more about the unit circle, how important it is. So let's say we have our unit circle here. This is a terrible unit circle, but it's broken up so it has all the common angles on it. And just for this example, I'm going to look at this angle right here. This is 60 degrees, which is the same as pi over 3. And corresponding to that angle is a point here, 1/2 root 3 over 2. Now every one of these common angles has points listed and then the angles. So let me show you how this will work, how we can use this. Let's say I'm asked what is cosine of 60 degrees. All I have to do is go to the unit circle, find 60 degrees, which I found, and then look at the x-coordinate. The x-coordinate will always correspond to cosine. So our answer is whatever number is there as the x-coordinate, 1/2. If somebody asks me what is sine of 60 degrees, again, I go to this unit circle, I go to 60 degrees, and this time I look at the y-coordinate. The y-coordinate is always the sine of the angle. So my answer would be root 3 over 2. Then if somebody asks me, well, what's then tangent of 60 degrees? Well, tangent, by definition, tangent of an angle is the y-coordinate divided by the x-coordinate. So for 60 degrees, the y-coordinate is root 3 over 2. The x-coordinate is 1/2. And then division is always the same as multiplication of the reciprocal. So I just flip the denominator over and put it right here. Then I multiply straight across. In fact, in here, these cancel out. So you just get root 3. And I could continue on. I could do secant theta. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cosine. So all I have to do is look at, secant of 60 degrees. So all I have to do is flip over the answer I got for cosine. So I go over here to cosine. My answer was 1 over 2. Secant is that flipped over, so it's 2 over 1, which is 2. If I wanted cosecant 60 degrees, all I'd have to do is flip over what I get for sine. So here's what I got for sine. Flip that over, I get 2 over root 3. I would then have to rationalize, so I multiply top and bottom by root 3. I get 2 root 3 over 3. And then I could do cotangent, last one, 60 degrees. That's x over y. So that's 1/2 over root 3 over 2, which again is 1/2 times 2 over root 3. The 2's cancel. I get 1 over root 3. Rationalizing top and bottom, I multiply top and bottom by root 3 here to rationalize, and you get root 3 over 3. Anyways, that's how you can find the 6 trig functions for any angle on the unit circle. This would apply to, even if you were down here, the coordinates of that point are negative 1/2, negative root 3 over 2. So now I could ask you, what's sine, what's cosine, what's tangent, what's cotangent, etc. I hope that helps. That's really a major point in this class.